Assalamualaikum students, I am your science teacher Wasim sir. I hope all of you are fine and your study is also going well. In this video I am going to explain the first part of chapter 11. The chapter name is Force, Work and Energy. So our first topic in this chapter is force. A push or pull acting on an object is called force. By applying force we can move objects or change their shape. For example, if we push or pull a chair, then it will be said that we have applied force on the chair. Okay. Now, our next topic is types of force. In nature, there are mainly two types of force: force of gravity and force of friction. Now, what is the meaning of force of gravity? If we throw something upwards, after some time it falls onto the ground. This is due to force of gravity. The force that pulls objects downwards towards the center of the earth is called gravity. For example, if we throw a ball upwards, after some time the ball falls onto the ground because force of gravity pulls the ball down. Okay. Next is friction. The force that is present when two things are in contact with each other is called friction. For example, if we push a pencil or scale across the table, after moving some distance, the pencil or scale stops. This is due to force of friction. Friction blocks or resists the motion of the object, and as a result, the object either slows down or stops moving. But friction is also important because if there is no friction, then a moving body will never stop. Okay, but again, if there is too much friction, then nothing can move. Now our next topic is work. Work takes place when we apply force on an object, and because of that force the object moves some distance. For example, if we push a chair or kick a football, then the chair and ball will both move from its original position. So it will be considered as work, but if we push a wall, we cannot move it. So no work will be done in this case. Now our next topic is machine. Machine is anything that makes our work easier or faster with the use of less energy. It means we can do the work much more easily. Machine can be of different types. Okay, such as lever, pulley, wheel and axle and inclined plane. Now let's discuss the first one, lever. Lever is a machine that is made up of a rod resting at a point around which it moves. It is used for lifting heavy objects and for cutting things. An example of lever that we use in our everyday life is scissor. Okay. Next one is pulley. A pulley is a machine that has a grooved wheel and a rope running between the grooves of the wheel. It is also used to lift heavy objects. By using pulley, we can draw water from well. You can get clear idea about pulley if you look at the picture. Okay. Next one is wheel and axle. Example of wheel and axle is the back wheels of a rickshaw. If you observe the back wheels of a rickshaw, you will see that the back wheels of rickshaw are attached to a rod, and whenever the rod moves, the wheels of the rickshaw also moves. Wheel and axle is also used to move heavy objects. Now the last one is inclined plane. An inclined plane is a sloping surface that is used to push or pull heavy objects to a certain height. By using inclined plane, we can load heavy objects or cart just like cartoons onto a truck. So this is the end of the first part of this chapter. I will discuss the remaining part of this chapter in my next video. Till then, everyone, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.